Welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. Today, we will be solving the equation 6 times x minus 1 equals 17. By the end of this video, you will have all the tools you need to find the value of x. So let's get started. Step 1. To solve the equation 6x minus 1 equals 17, we first want to isolate the term with the variable, which is 6x. The variable is the unknown number we're trying to find. To isolate 6x, we need to eliminate the minus 1 on the left side of the equation. To do this, we add 1 to both sides of the equation, because adding 1 will cancel out the minus 1. This step is crucial because whatever operation we do to one side of the equation, we must do to the other side to keep it balanced and equal. The original equation is 6x minus 1 equals 17. When we add 1 to both sides, the equation becomes 6x minus 1 plus 1 equals 17 plus 1. The minus 1 and plus 1 on the left side cancel each other out, leaving just 6x. So the new equation is 6x equals 18. In this step, we have successfully removed the minus 1 and simplified the equation to 6x equals 18. Step 2. Now that we have the equation 6x equals 18, we need to solve for the variable x. To do this, we will isolate x by getting rid of the 6 that is multiplied by x. We can accomplish this by dividing both sides of the equation by 6. We choose to divide because the opposite operation of multiplication is division, and this will help us cancel out the 6 on the left side. This step is essential to keeping the equation balanced and equal. When we divide 6x by 6, it simplifies to just x because 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 1 times x is simply x. On the other side of the equation, we also divide 18 by 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Therefore, x equals 3 is the solution. In this final step, we determine that the unknown variable x is 3. This means that if we substitute 3 back into the original equation 6x minus 1 equals 17, it will hold true. The problem is now solved. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.